All right, and so this is Mr. Mead. Welcome back, sir. We are on the record in the matter of the City of Wyandotte versus Danny Mead, 241443. And there appears to be an old case, 211803. And counsel, your appearance, please.
Attorney Corey Westmoreland appearing on behalf of Mr. Mead.
Okay, and Mr. Mead, your name for the record, please.
Andy Wilson Mead.
All right, and counsel, there's a new charge from yesterday, alcohol, and then there is the 2021 matter where your client failed to appear for a show cause in 2023, and then again in 2024. And I believe your client did not report to jail when he was supposed to report to jail, and so that was why the show cause was issued, but I will confirm. And counsel asked for the agreement on the new charge.
Yes, Your Honor. At this time, we are prepared to waive a formal reading. My client stands mute.
All right, the court waived the formal reading, enter plea of not guilty for purposes of the arraignment, and he failed to report to jail on June 26th. And schedule this matter for a pretrial on October 9th at 10 a.m. And counsel asked to, and we'll also schedule the show cause for the same date and time. All right, and counsel asked to not.
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Mead currently is residing in Wyandotte locally. He is employed at Banks Tree Service. He's not on probation or parole out of any other court. He has no other pending matters out of any other court. And after speaking with him, he did assure me he would be appearing. So I would just ask that all that be taken into account when assessing a bond on behalf of Mr. Mead.
Okay, criminal history for this. Okay, can you find the dirt board file? That would be where Mr. Mead is there. Okay, and so Mr. Mead, what's going on? You didn't show up for us twice on your other matter.
Yes, Your Honor, I'll be there this time. My mom was going through some hospice stuff. She passed away recently.
What's that?
My mom was going through hospice. She passed away recently.
When did your mom pass away, sir?
August 1st.
If you were to test right now, sir, what's in your system?
Is that?
What's that?
I'm sorry?
If you were to test today, what's in your system?
Nothing. Nothing.
Well, you failed to appear in court on your 21 matter, and you're still living in Wyandotte, and you still failed to come into court or even contact us. So I can assure you, sir, that there will not be a personal bond. Who's living at your home with you, sir?
Myself.
Well, it's somewhere, just not this file. Let me see. Are you currently out on bond in any other jurisdiction, sir?
No, ma'am.
Are you on probation in any other court?
Over here.
All right, well, here's what the court's going to do. Based upon your previous failure to appear on the 2-4 matter, 2414443, the court's going to order a $2,500 10% bond. And on your 211803 matter that you failed to appear for your show cause, and you failed to report to jail as you were ordered to do, the court's going to order a $3,500 10% bond. Sir?
Yes, sir.
Possess of consuming alcohol or drugs unless prescribed. And you are not to be released without GPS title to the Wayne County Jail. The court wants to make sure, sir, that you're going to be appearing in court, as you've been blowing us off for quite a while without any communication.
Okay.
And then we'll see you back next Wednesday. All right, we are on the record in the matter of the city of Wyandotte versus Brandon O'Connell, 231480 A, B, C, and D, 241442 A and B. And counsel, your appearance, please.
Attorney Corey Westmoreland, appearing on behalf of Mr. O'Connell. Mr. O'Connell, would you please state your name for the record?
Yes, Brandon O'Connell.
All right, and good afternoon, sir. And counsel adds to the new charge that he's in custody for, and then he failed to appear for a sentencing. I'm sorry, probation violation he failed to appear for on the other matters. And so,
Your Honor, I am so sorry about that. I am.
we're going to set these both for 10:30 a.m. on the 9th. And counsel, as to bond these matters.
Yes, Your Honor, I would like you to know that Mr. O'Connell is 21 years old. He's currently residing in Detroit. He is gainfully employed, working two jobs, one at Michigan Healthcare as a CNA, and he also works at Olive Garden as a busser. He does not have any other pending matters that we're aware of out of any other court. And after speaking with him at length, he did assure me he would be appearing at all future court dates, and he does understand that the importance of doing so. I would just ask that all that be taken into account when assessing a bond.
All right, sir, you live in Detroit?
I do, yeah.
Okay, and how long you live there, sir?
The past 8 months, Your Honor.
Okay, and who do you live there with?
It's just me, Your Honor. I rent a house in Detroit.
Well, imagine my surprise when I'm looking at your address on your form that you filled out today, and it says the address in Newport, not Detroit.
No, Your Honor, I just put my dad's house. I'm sorry about that. I should have put mine. I should have put my residing address. I'm sorry.
Well, yes, you're correct. That's where you should be putting your address, is where you live, sir, not where somebody
Sorry.
else lives. So what is your address? All right, and you failed to appear in this court before, sir, and then you haven't contacted us to take care of anything.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I am. I know I've been slacking, Your Honor.
You what?
I said I know I've been slacking, Your Honor, on that. I know the past 2 or 3 court dates I have not shown up. And
Do you have any other cases pending in any other court, sir?
I do not, Your Honor. This is the city of Wyandotte.
Okay, well, here's what the court's going to do. Mr. Oconnell doesn't seem to like to return to the court here, at the 27th District Court. So, the court's going to order on 241442, $2,500 10% bond. You're not to possess or consume any alcohol or drugs unless prescribed. And on the 231480 D, the court's going to order a $3,500 10% bond. Sir, if you're posting bond, maybe that will encourage you a bit more to follow the court's orders and appear in court. You're not to possess or consume any alcohol or drugs that are not prescribed. And then we'll see you next Wednesday.
Your Honor.